Hello friends, welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we explore nature's forgotten wisdom to help your garden thrive. Today I want to share something I never expected to say. Planting black nightshade in my kitchen garden improved my soil and helped the rest of my plants flourish. Now before you raise an eyebrow, yes, I know black nightshade has a controversial reputation. It's often labeled as invasive or even toxic, but what if I told you that this misunderstood plant might actually be one of your garden's best allies? I first planted black nightshade out of curiosity, nothing more. I had a quiet corner of the garden where other plants weren't thriving. The soil was compact, dry, and frankly tired. I'd heard some traditional growers in Eastern Europe and Africa speak of black nightshade not just as a food or medicine, but as a soil softener and restorer. And here's what happened. Within a few weeks, I noticed a shift. The soil under and around the black nightshade became looser, darker, and richer in organic matter. Worms, which had been absent, began returning in that area. It turns out that black nightshade has a surprisingly deep and fibrous root system. It breaks up compacted soil, improves aeration, and helps create a healthier microbial environment, just like a green manure crop. Even better, neighboring herbs like basil mint and even tomatoes started to perk up. Why? Because black nightshade also acts as a dynamic accumulator, pulling nutrients from deeper layers of soil and slowly releasing them near the surface. That means other plants nearby benefit without any competition. I kept a close eye on the plant, of course. No berries were allowed to overripen, and I pruned it regularly. But with that care, it didn't take over. It stayed manageable and quietly did its work improving the soil. You know, this experience really changed my perspective. Black nightshade, when used intentionally, can actually be part of a regenerative gardening approach. It's amazing how it can repair depleted beds, support biodiversity, and even provide edible greens, if you know how to identify the safe variety and prepare it properly. So, if you've got a tough patch of soil in your kitchen garden, maybe consider giving black nightshade a chance. Respect its power, take some time to learn its nature, and, well, it might just surprise you. If you enjoyed this little-known garden insight, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Gentle Herb Living for more natural tips that, challenge the rules. Have you grown black nightshade before? I'd really love to hear your experience in the comments. Let's keep learning from the plants that others overlook, and together bring life back to our soil one green leaf at a time.